Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. You can't see her right now, but we just got to our campground. We cannot wait to show you the campsite in the morning once it's pretty light outside. But we are going to head to bed and we will see you in the morning. Okay, right off the bat, this is one of the cleanest campground restrooms I've ever been in. Now the shower, they have two showers and you kind of share a floor and share a little area. It's divided by one wall, and then obviously you have shower curtains. Now it is a little bit awkward if you're not into like really close personal contact, because if there was another person in the shower you would be able to see them, and you do share a drain. But the water gets super hot. There's no time limit, so I thought that was really cool. Most campgrounds require some sort of token, but this place you can just walk right in and start it. Overall, the whole thing is very clean. I'm happy with it so far, so I'm going to brush my teeth and then we will show you guys the rest of the campground. And we are at the Emporia RV park in Kansas, and just to let you guys know, there's a password on the bathroom door. So bathrooms are one of the most important parts of a campground, at least to me. But here is just like the main front area where you drive in. And then we're gonna go look at this thing. We did not look at it last night. Okie dokie, so this just kind of shows you everything that's going on. They are open 4 to 7 p.m. with an actual human. We got here at like 9 p.m. so you can use the night registration window, which is really nice. They've got a 9-disc golf course. I really like it because it's under surveillance. That always makes you feel safe. And then I'm glad they have these because I would not be able to remember. We're right at Interstate 35, the Kansas Turnpike, and Highway 50. So it is a little bit noisy. I'm kind of into that though. So we're right here. This is where I just used the restroom. There's a store and an office over here. I'm going to go see what the hours of that are. Then there's a shop where you can like on the sign, it's like RV and trailer fixing. They've got a little park, fishing pond, tent camping, disc golf course, storage, and then I'm gonna go get Zena and walk back here. So yeah, so far I am really liking this place. So you can see that there's kind of a lane here, then that's a camp spot, but then there's a lane next to it and a lane after that. So let's keep walking. Okay, let's go find the dog park, Zena. And not only do they have these sites in the middle, but it also looks like they have a couple just like pull up, drive next to sites along the road right here. Okay, so now Zena and I are a little bit confused. We walked around the whole thing. We didn't see anything that said dog run. We saw some storage in the back, and then we saw this sewage lagoon. And now there's a little pond over here, and looks like some tent sites. Oh, come here. Come here. So now, me and Zena are just going to walk in here and see what it's all about. What do you think of this place? You are getting so tangled up, you crazy lady. So the disc golf course actually goes all the way up to the road, but it goes around this little pond right here. Zena is like charging forward. Now I want to go see if the shop is open. Okie dokie. So I meant to say store, but I'm a little confused because on the map right there it says there's a store, but there's no like doors on that side. So this is just the business, the office store, which is locked right now. They open a little bit later. Here's all of their prices. So we got $45 and night registration. You can call that number for help. After 12 p.m. looks like you can knock. And then they've got laundry machines in here in case you want to do some laundry, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, so now me and Zena are just gonna walk to this end again really fast, just because on the map it says dog, or it says dog walk or something. So we're gonna see if we missed something, or maybe it's just grass that you're supposed to walk around in. Okay, so me and Zena just did a quick little walk through the campground. Doesn't take very long to get to the other end. She's a little bit frozen, so she's not walking. But on the map, it shows that this area, oh, and I do see dog paw prints. It shows that this area is for dogs. So what I'm thinking is you must just supposed to walk around with your dogs back here. I will say overall, I think that the map at this campground is a little bit confusing. I think it's a little bit outdated, but me and Zena are still having an absolute great time. If you guys can see all the way over there, you probably can't. There's a Blue Beacon truck wash close to this place, which that could be a benefit to you. But yeah, I mean, there's a little creek right there. I don't know, I like this campground. Is it the nicest campground we've ever stayed at? No. Does the map make a lot of sense? No. But it's a great location. And there's the sewage lagoon you're not supposed to go into. And then on the map where it says dogs, there's like a little black line. And the black line ends at this corner of the sewage lagoon. So I guess it just means that the dogs can walk around on a leash in this little area of grass, which is still nice. Zena, what do you think about that? Zena thinks it's pretty nice still. Well, Zena also says thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. And the absolute best parts about this campground are the location, the fact that it is open all year, and the impeccable bathrooms. I mean, the absolute best thing is the bathrooms. US Highway 50 and I-35, that's the intersection you're at right now. So it is pretty noisy here all day, all night. I mean, obviously there's cars driving. I didn't really mind the noise, but Mr. Cameraman didn't really sleep very much. It is the loudest campground we've ever been to.
So close all your windows.
Yes. And try to get a good night's rest. Like I said, I didn't notice it, but Heath said it was super loud. Checkout's at noon and they do have free Wi-Fi. And the hookups are a little bit far away from the actual campsite. So it would be best if you had a little bit longer of a hose than we do. And then the water is right over there. But yeah, PS, really fast, we didn't show you. Here's their little playground. Now, we can head back to the outro. Comment down below and subscribe to our channel. Definitely keep traveling. Definitely. Check out RV parks along the way. Me and Zena, Mr. Cameraman, love to do it. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Bye.